No, I was going to offer a prize for this. Anybody heard of this next artist? But I'm not going to, because I bet there'll be about 10 people in here saying, yeah. This is an American artist called Ron Picott. Anybody? One there, look at that. It's a good job I didn't ask. Ron Picott's coming over to this country very soon. In fact, he might actually be here now and doing a tour. And for anybody interested, he will be playing at the Wolfo Club at Flitcham.
On September the 30th.
Saturday the 30th. He came here a year ago and he played for us. He's a great artist, writes fantastic songs. And we're going to try and do our best for one of his songs called Welding. On the North Atlantic where the winters come down hard. After work you did some drinking, sometimes it got a little rough. But sometimes you get his fill, sometimes you couldn't get enough. Some things you're born to, some things you gotta learn. A broken homes, wrecked cars, scars and welding burns. I wasn't gonna stay here, I used to dream a lot. But now I can't remember what it was that I was dreaming of. Some things you're born to, some things you gotta learn. A broken home, red cars, scars and welding burns. I used to take an police mill pond to see the August sun on her brown steel. Promised her I would take her away. She knew better even way back then. Now there's a wife, a kid, a dress, a drawer filled with pocket tees. Little holes burned in each one where the good shirts used to be. Some things you're born to, some